Welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I have the pleasure of showing you a 2023 Sea Ray SDX 250, 25-foot boat here. We have the Sea Ray blue hull side and then the white hull bottom. You have all your stainless steel components from the grab rails, the cleats, and then the rub rail right here. And this boat is also optioned with the fender clip system right there, so you can pop those fenders in and you don't have to tie them off to a cleat. As we look up here at the tower, this is a manual tower that does fold down, and then we have the white and blue accents, which really ties into the exterior of the boat. And then at the swim platform here, we have a big area here to hang out. We have our tow point, and then also a swim step that does go down into the water. So you can either get in the boat by this or by the stainless steel ladder over here, and then we have the sea decking back here. This is powered by a 6.2 liter 300 Mercury Bravo 3. So tons of power when you're on the water doing all those water sports and just cruising around. So let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. We're gonna start back here on the transom of the boat. One of my favorite features on the SDX 250 and all the SDX line is the seats here. They can rotate so that you can sit backwards hanging out, or you can sit forwards as well. Nice entryway into the boat here. Got a spot right here. This is a self-draining cooler. And then you can see in all the cup holders and the seat bases, we have the blue LED lighting on, which is a great feature when you're on the water towards nighttime. And then right here we have a transom remote as well. And then walking into the boat, tons of storage around under every seat here. Sea Ray does a great job maximizing the space in the boat. As you can see here, we have the bimini top that's open right now for sun protection, but this also does fold in and then go down if you need to put the boat underneath a lift or in storage. So walking up towards the helm here, we have our in-floor storage. It's gonna be our ski locker down here. This boat does come with a cover and then also a table. And then again, we have the seats right here that do rotate backwards and forwards, so very versatile. And then up at the helm, again, we have the 300 Bravo 3, so we have the digital throttle and shift. We have our Simrad display screen, so we have the engine diagnostics, we have your chart plotting on there, navigation, everything's very accessible at the helm. And then we also have our flip up bolster here, so if you want to sit right here, watch what's going on behind the boat, it's going to give you a little bit more visibility. And then we have our tilt steering wheel right here, and then our Fusion audio. This has the upgraded audio package on it, so it's going to be great sound quality across the boat. Got a little glove compartment down here with a cup holder, and then this is kind of like a little cuddy cabin setup. We have an area down here, maybe for the kids to get out of the sun. We have the cushion laid down for storage, and then also underneath this cushion is going to be the head. So this just pops up. Then you have your head down there, and then it stores back in place. And as we walk up towards the bow, we have a great entryway up here, just port side, and then tons of seating across the boat. Seating right here, and then you do have your cooler below. So guys, this is a great setup. This is Sea Ray's SDX 250. It's located here at our store in Rogers. Come on by, take a look, give us a call. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.